How to reset the password of my X4 or X5. If you forgot the password of your X4 or X5, you can reset it in the following 3 ways. Option 1. For the EZVIZ app users. Please ensure the Ethernet cable is connected and the device is online. Hover your mouse to the top of the screen and click on Device Management. When prompted, click the Forgot Password. Check your registered email address or phone number for the 4-digit verification code. Input the received code in the given field and click the Verify button. Input the new password and confirm in the pop-up window, and click OK to finish password resetting. Option 2. For other users. Hover your mouse to the top of the screen and click on Device Management. When prompted, click the Forgot Password. You will be prompted to call EZVIZ. Click on OK and you will arrive at the screen where either you will have the long serial number, or it will ask you to download the GUID file using a USB drive. If long serial number, please take a clear picture with the time and date on your monitor visible and send it to the support team. If GUID file, please insert a USB drive into the USB slot on the unit. Click the Export button to export the GUID file to the USB. Send the GUID file to the support team. After verification, a secure code or new GUID file will be sent to you for password reset. Option 3. If you have set security questions before, you can also reset password by answering each security questions. For additional assistance, feel free to contact support team by emailing at support@ezvizlife.com. Our team love to help.